Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Google account and going straight to your Google Scholar profile. This is necessary so uploaded items link to your author record. Make sure your profile email and affiliation are correct, because Scholar uses that to match citations. Once done, gather the final PDF and all metadata, title, author names in order, abstract, journal or conference, year, so you won't interrupt the upload for missing details. You now add the paper. Click the plus icon and pick Add Article manually, or use Add Article to search and import metadata automatically. The manual path gives you precise control. Fill title exactly, list authors in the published order, add journal or conference name and year, then paste the abstract. Upload the PDF file or paste a stable repository link, and choose access type so Google Scholar can crawl and index the full text correctly. This affects save the entry and then verify it appears on your profile with working links and correct metadata. You want citations to aggregate properly. If the paper doesn't show up in search results or citations are missing, make sure the PDF is crawlable, not behind a login, and contains selectable text rather than images. OCR may be needed. If metadata or DOI is wrong, edit the entry directly or re-upload the corrected file to ensure Google Scholar reindexes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.